Did you know that one of the most luxurious desserts in the world was actually created by accident? Yep, chocolate truffles. Those rich, velvety bites of happiness were born from a simple mistake, and today, I'm recreating that magic without even turning on the oven. So if you've ever wondered whether you can make a truly decadent, jaw-dropping dessert with zero baking, stay right here, because this might just become your new New Year tradition. As the year winds down and the celebrations begin, I wanted to make something that feels indulgent, festive, and a little bit fancy, but still easy enough that you're not stressed out in the kitchen while everyone else is popping champagne. Today, we're making rich, creamy, no-bake chocolate truffles that melt in your mouth and feel like pure luxury in every bite. These are the kind of treats that make people ask, "You made this?" Let's be honest. Holiday desserts can be stressful. Between cooking full meals, hosting guests, and trying to enjoy the moment, dessert often becomes an afterthought. You want something impressive, something that looks expensive and tastes unforgettable, but you don't want to measure flour at midnight or worry about overbaking. I've been there. Tired, overwhelmed, and wishing for a dessert that just works. That's exactly why no-bake desserts are my secret weapon, especially for New Year celebrations. They're elegant, make ahead friendly, and perfect for serving with drinks while the countdown begins. So let me show you how simple ingredients transform into something truly special. For these truffles, you'll need 200 grams, 7 ounces, of high-quality dark chocolate, chopped. I recommend 60 to 70% cocoa for deep flavor. You'll also need half a cup, 120 milliliters, heavy cream, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and just a tiny pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. If you want to elevate the flavor even more, you can add 1/2 teaspoon store-bought espresso powder or chocolate seasoning blend. It deepens the chocolate flavor without making it taste like coffee. Start by placing your chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. In a small saucepan, gently warm the heavy cream and butter together over low heat until it's just steaming, not boiling. Once hot, pour it directly over the chocolate and let it sit for about 1 minute. This is where the magic begins. Slowly stir from the center outward until the chocolate melts into a smooth, glossy ganache. Add in the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, salt, and espresso powder if using, and stir until everything is silky and rich. At this point, the mixture should look like melted velvet. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface of the ganache, and place it in the fridge for about 1 hour, or until firm but still scoopable. While it chills, this is the perfect time to prepare your coatings. I love variety, so I set out extra cocoa powder, powdered sugar, finely chopped roasted hazelnuts or almonds, and even crushed chocolate cookies. Each coating gives the truffles a different personality. Once chilled, scoop about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and gently roll it between your palms. Don't worry if it's a little messy. That's part of the charm. As you roll, the ganache transforms from soft chocolate into a perfectly round truffle. Then roll each one in your chosen coating until fully covered. Watching these simple chocolate balls turn into elegant, bakery-style truffles is honestly the most satisfying part. And now, the moment of truth. I take a bite, and the truffle melts instantly, creamy and rich, with that deep chocolate flavor coating the tongue. It's not overly sweet, just perfectly balanced, and it tastes like something you'd pay good money for at a gourmet shop. These are dangerously good. For presentation, arrange the truffles on a marble board or a gold-rimmed plate. Dust lightly with cocoa powder and garnish with shaved chocolate or edible gold flakes for that New Year's sparkle. Pair them with hot chocolate, espresso, or even a glass of red wine or champagne for a truly elevated dessert experience. You can also serve them alongside fresh strawberries or raspberries to cut through the richness beautifully. And just like that, you have the perfect New Year dessert. No oven, no stress, just pure indulgence. These rich chocolate truffles are proof that simple can still be stunning, and easy can still feel luxurious. As we wrap up, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and spending this moment with me. I hope this recipe brings sweetness and joy into your New Year celebrations. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves chocolate as much as you do. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite no-bake treat? And be sure to check out my other dessert videos for more delicious inspiration. Happy New Year, stay sweet, and I'll see you in the next one.